Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're doing good. Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your MT4 on your PC, how to set it up the way you want it to look, the way you want it to be like. For instance, if you want to set up your candlestick to be blue or yellow or green or white and black, I'm gonna show you all that here in this tutorial. So bear with me, it will take maybe some time because it's not just an easy thing to do. It's an easy thing to do, but it's not. It's a little bit complicated, a little bit. But you'll see, I'll do it slowly, step by step, and you'll get there, guys. And guys, please support this channel, subscribe there, and press the notification button. And by doing that, voila, will be okay. And at the same time, if maybe there's another topic that you want us to discuss going forward, maybe not regarding the MT4 but anything trading strategy, please leave the comment below and we'll be fine. Okay, let's start, guys. Okay, when you open the demo account, this is the demo account as you see here on top. This is the demo account. I just opened this demo account just for just to show you guys how to set it up. Okay guys, what do you do here? The first thing that you're gonna do, as soon as you open it, as soon as you log in, you see all this chart, 1 2 3 4 up to 6 charts here. So what you do, you want one chart. So what we do first, what I do, just cancel all of them, cancel all of them, we cancel all of them, you cancel all of them, keep on canceling. Even here I cancel all these ones. Even here I don't want anything. I leave my screen blank as it is. I don't want anything. From there I go to top left here, this thing like a cross, you go here. Maybe I can just let me just choose anyone. I'll choose maybe Euro USD, and maximize this chart. It look like this, yeah? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just in a blank space right click, go to properties, because now I want to set it up. Go to properties. As soon as you go to properties, you can see here the small chart here. So here there are different colors, and where we're gonna start here at the background. Here, background. You want your background to be black. If you want your background to be black, you leave it like this. But I don't want my background to be black. I want it to be white. So I'm gonna click here, see the colors, go down there, change my background. So as soon as I change my background, which means my figures they are missing, so I go to foreground and I change foreground to black so that I can see. I don't want grid on my thingy, on my chart. So I'm gonna go to, okay, let me just, okay, I'm gonna go to my grid, just change it to white. Okay, and because if I say go to my grid and change it to white, so here in this chart, because you can see I don't see this line that's showing me where the price is. So I'm going back to my grid, just go to my grid and make it black, because I want this line to be there. So from there I'm gonna go to common, top left, on top there, common, I'm going to show grid and just unclick here and press and unclick here and go back. You can see. So wait like that. Okay, cool. So now we want to change the candle, the bar up. The bar up is a bullish candle. So I'm gonna change the bullish candle to the color that I want. Let me choose this color. There's a bullish candle, and I change the bar down. The bar down is a bearish candle. Go to, I'll choose this red, and bullish candle, I'll change the bullish candle to the same color as bar up, to the same color as bar up. Which one I chose? Which one I chose? It was this one. And the back angle as well, I'm gonna change my back angle to be same color, red. And line graph, I'm gonna leave it like this. And the volume, I'm gonna leave it like this, but I don't want the volume to be there in my chart. It's fine. The ask price, everything, I'm gonna leave it like that. So, and then after, press OK. Okay, let me maximize my chart. Okay, let me just go here. The only thing that I didn't change was, okay, my candlestick, I can, because you can see this one are not the candlesticks. I want my chart to be on candlesticks, so I'm gonna go up there and change it to candlesticks. So now my chart is the way I want it to be. I want my chart to look like this. So what next? The next thing, and now is to go to chart. There you see there's file, there's view, there's insert. You go to chart. From chart you go down to templates. To templates you go to save templates. Okay, wait, my PC is a little bit slow, I'm sorry about that. And from template, what you're gonna do is you change the template's name to what? To default. Default. Yeah, default. And you save this template. Now the template is saved. What does that tell you? Okay, let me minimize this. What does that tell you? It tells you that now, if you want, okay, because now this one is Euro USD, né? So now if you want to add another pair, you come here. Let me add gold. You see, when you add another pair, because the template is been saved as a default, which means it's gonna say that whatever pair that you tick there, it's gonna be the same as the one that you were setting up. So you don't have to set each and every one up. So now this one is set. Is set up already. If you want to add, maybe let's say you want to add ODUSD, same. Now, okay, cool. We have done everything on the chart, almost everything on the chart. Now we want to add what? The indicators. Let's go to insert. You go to file, you see the file, there's view, there's insert. You go to insert, you press insert, you go to indicators. I want the MA, the moving average. Okay, we go to trend, go to moving average. Okay, I want the 200 MA. I want it to be exponential. Hey, this wait, exponential. I want it to be exponential. Okay, which color do I want? You can choose any color, maybe, because it's an indicator. You can choose any color. Do I want it in a this dotted line, or I want it big? You choose here, but let me just leave it as just one line. Go to OK. You see my indicator is there, MA200, and I want to add another one. The other one that I want to add is still moving in moving average, but I want it to be a 50 MA. 50 MA. Let me change the color so that I cannot be confused. Pink. Yes, this is a 50 MA. Excuse me. So 50 MA. So remember that now if I open this one, there's no moving indicator there. Open this one, there's no moving indicator there. Open the, even if I can open the new one, let's say GBP USD, no moving indicator. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going back to Euro USD where I was setting up my indicators. Go there, go to chart, go to templates, say name file. I want to save this one, change it to from template name to, let me change it to default, because I want it to appear to each and every yes, I want it to appear to each and every. Let me just remove these ones. If you want to remove the thing here, the pairs here, you right click on top of the pair, you go to close, right click on top of the pair, you go to close. Okay, cool. So now I add, let me say I want to add gold again. When I add gold now, you see it got a moving indicator. Before it didn't have, because that template with indicators was not included. Okay, just add another one. Just add another one. Let me go to, okay, let me go to indexes. Indexes is USD here. I did USD. Let me add whatever. Anything, Forex. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Cool. There's something that I wanted to show you guys. Okay. Let me just minimize my chart. Yeah. So now I want to set up what the trend lines. Because okay, if there's my trend line here, but if I draw my trend line, you see, it's long. It becomes very long. It's become very long. I don't know where 2 minutes thingy. It become very long. You see, it's showing me 3 dots here. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, I'm gonna go to my trend line, just right click on my trend line. No, sorry, just double click first. Double click on top of my trend line. Just right click, trend line properties, come here. The first thing that I'm gonna do, okay, leave it as it is, change the color maybe. Yeah, let me change the color to black, because my thing is my background is white. And from there, parameters, I want to move this this thingy, this tick here on red, so that, okay, I'll tell you why I'm moving this thing here, or this tick on red, because if I don't move it, my trend line will still belong as it is. But now I want to be able to adjust it. Okay, cool. Go to visual. I want this trend line to be shown to all the trading, to all the time frame. If you want it to be show to all time frame, you just tick all. But if you want this trend line to show on only which one is this? Only 1 hour. Gonna go to 1 hour. It's not here. Okay, let's move here. Okay, you go to 1 hour and you say, okay. So now you see my trend line. I can adjust it the way I want it now. The way I want it. See? The way I want it. So what else now? Let's say I want to add some shapes. Go here. Okay, if you want to add some shapes, maybe you go to any one or to any of these, let's say time frames. You just right click, you go to custom down there. Let's check. Nothing is showing here. Okay, no, sorry, these are time frames. I'm sorry about that. Go here because I want to add some shapes. Go to custom. Okay, there you go. You want to add the Fibonacci is there. What do you want to add? I want to add some shapes. This insert. Okay, yeah, it's here. Let's see. Insert. Triangle. Insert. Close. We didn't have this. Now we have. Okay, let's say maybe you want to set up your what you call your resistance or your support. Okay, let's say maybe your resistance. Yeah, maybe resistance here. You have to adjust the color as well. Adjust the color maybe to yellow. How you like it? see what see where you make a mark. It can be your resistance, or let me just see if it does. You can copy this one. Is your resistance. You can move it. You can come here, just hold it like this. You can move it anywhere you want, anywhere you want, anywhere you want. You can put it anywhere you really want. So the shortcut to this, now I think I've covered almost everything here. The shortcut to this, you can just go to Control M, and on the left hand side here, all these symbols will show. All the symbols will show. You go here to symbols, you say show all. It will show all your symbols. Because go to symbols, you right click, you said, what did I say? I said show all. Hence it showed everything. Right click, show all of your symbols are everything that you need is here. Everything that you need is here. Everything that you need is here. Everything that you need is where? Is here. Yeah, this one, I think this one is no space. Let me check if it does not have no space. Yeah, this one is not space. Let me check on all. Yeah, this is nice. So yeah, guys, I don't know what else. Yeah, I think I'm done here. So this is all about setting up your MT4 on the PC. Yeah, if you want to know anything, just let me know on the comment, and I hope everything was fine, everything was clear. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll be able to assist you. Or if you want to move all this on your left hand side, all this you don't want it to appear here, all these pairs or pairs and indexes, you just go to Control M. It moves everything. Your screen becomes like blank as it is, not blank as such. You are left with the charts only. Yeah, so that's all guys, and thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Press the notification button as well, and if you have anything to say, maybe you have anything, maybe any question, comment on the comment section. Please make sure that you say something or something constructive. Anyway, thank you. Yeah, something constructive. Yeah, and I have a lot of videos. If maybe, okay, I almost forget, guys. On this video, on the link below, what I'm gonna do, because I've got another video where I did a video whereby I'm setting up the MT4 on the Android phone. If you have an Android phone, you can go to that video again and just check how, because it's not the same, guys. It's not the same. This one is for PC, and the one that I have there is for the Android phone. If you want to set up your MT4 on your PC, you go to the link below, you press there, and you'll see. Thank you so much, guys.